Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very long overdue video. It's my finished jewelry from Adornable Elements for the Hot and Trendy and the 2 Whole Bead of the Month Club. For the last 2 months I've been working on stuff and I did not end up doing a finished video for each month, and I might even have a few of the beads from past months in there, but I've had a blast working with them. So I have 6 necklace and earring sets. I think that was it. Yes. So, before we get started, I will leave a link below to their website if you're interested in looking at their beads. They're very unique beads because, like the Hot and Trendy, they're beads that you don't normally get from bead subscriptions. So they're different, you know, sizes, like just like this is one of their beads. Look at that. That is just so cool. They have these, just like they have a lot of these little 2-hole ones, super duos, and all kinds of stuff. I have them all different colors, just so many, more than you can even imagine. So I'm going to start out with this necklace. This I ended up I'm keeping it on the bust. I'm going to try and just lay it down without it falling off. So I did these earrings with the June, I think it was the June box. Yeah. I'm thinking it was the June box, or was it the July box? Maybe it was the July box. Oh, okay. I'm having a moment here. But anyway, so, yeah, that's the problem is the last 2 or 3 months I've been working on this stuff, so everything's kind of mushed together here. But anyway, so I made these earrings, and then I made this necklace to go with it. So I just kind of intertwined the wire and kind of fed it through. I'm not really big at sewing, you know, with the beads, but I just kind of made my own little pendant on this and used the drop beads. And then I had the earrings. So I love the way this turned out. You know, it's just kind of different, but I think it's really pretty. And then I did use some of my own seed beads. I used like the silver crystal and some of my blue. So I have this one, and then I'm trying to set everything aside. Now this one, I used those tiny little beads, and I made them just kind of, let me see if I can lay this down. It looks right when you're wearing it. Let's put it that way. So they kind of all hang down when you're wearing it. So see how I just took one of these beads, and you could wear it on either side, and I just put a jump ring on there, and I covered it with, I did use some of my seed beads, but I love the way that looks. And then I did some little earrings to match with my seed beads, the gold. And then I took some of, I think these little ones, these are the ones that I used down there. These are from like 3, maybe 4 months ago. I have my own container just for their beads because I like using them together if I'm in the mood to make something kind of funky looking. So yeah, so these are and these are just jump rings with seed beads, and then these little beads between them. Here they are. These are the beads right here. And these are the ones that I used. Look how pretty they are. These might be from 5 months ago. I'm not even sure if you could see my container with all my beads from this company. It's like early Christmas. So yeah, and then I just kind of did a pattern of gold and black because these have some black on them. So I did the gold in between, and then I just went to the gold and black, and I combined that. So I love the way this turned out. So it's just, you know, it's not a busy necklace. It's kind of feminine and minimalist, but yet it's got a lot of detail to it. Then I did this, I think I did it 2 months ago. Never had a video for it. So I I made this. This I did sew. And I used some of my rose gold hematite spacers in there, in between there. And then I just, let me see if I have this going the right way. Then I just kind of used some of my seed beads, and I made this. I love the way this turned out. It's so pretty. And then I just put a silver lobster clasp and everything on it. So it hangs really nice on your neck when you wear it. So I love the way this one turned out. Put this over here. Then I will show you this other one. I'm leaving this one on my bust too. This one's kind of cool. So I made this little pattern down there. I used some of my purple Lebanon Miyuki seed beads and then intertwined all of the stuff in there. I made like kind of this little flower pendant. And then for the earrings, I just made a pattern with these little ones right here. And then I pulled my seed beads through and I kind of just made some little knots up on the top. So they had kind of an eclectic, you know, non-uniform look to them. And then I put these up at the top, like kind of like little petals. So let me see here. So yeah, so this is the necklace. I think this turned out really pretty too. So I love this one. This one turned out really pretty. And these, of course, these little flower beads. Okay. Then next, I've been busy. I did this with these little, let me get these set up straight. I did copper. So I took the little daggers and I wrapped them around copper wire, and then I put a few of my seed beads. And these are some of the beads from before, from like 3 months ago maybe. So what I did was I made this little, kind of this little pendant. And then I added the beads in between, and I added these little half beads. Where are those at? I don't know if oh, here they are. I have like 4 million other little containers right now on my, my bead station. So yeah, these are the ones that I used just for this right here. So it's like if you're looking for an odd shaped bead, or you want to make something that's really different looking, you have to look at their beads. Like, because they're just odd shaped ones that just, I don't know, you can't find anywhere else. Then I had these left over from, I don't know when, these gorgeous coppery ones, like rose gold copper. So I put them in between, and I used some of my seed beads there. And then I put a copper wire clasp on there. So I just thought this was a really fun little pendant looking piece. So it's a little longer than a choker. So yeah, I just, like I said, I love their stuff. So, okay, get that right there. And then, oh my gosh, if you could see. We're just going to show you. Without, they're going to all fall, but like, these are just all over my counter right now. I have been obsessed with working with them. Okay, then I think this is my last one. I did this. Let me move these out of the way. So I did this one, and I used their dagger beads, and then the little beads there, and some of the small daggers, and some of these pink ones right here. Let me show you this up close first. See, and so then I did a 2-hole bead right there. So after I intertwined it through there and I brought it up like that, then I was able to bring it up on the side. I was making this and I only had 1 hole bead. It didn't work. So I pulled these little beauties out to do that. And then it just kind of all came together with a few little dagger beads there. Let me lay it down. So I have this. Yeah, and these are the ones that I used. And then I made these little earrings to go with it. So I had a blast working with these beads. This was so much fun. I didn't end up doing a tutorial. I just was kind of in the mood to just, you know, kind of work. I wasn't sure things I was doing. I was just kind of like I was starting stuff and then taking it apart and then redoing it because I you know, thought, oh, this bead will look better over here. It was kind of one of those days. So that's why I didn't want to do a video. And then I watched the book club with Diane Keaton and Jane Fonda and all that, and made some coffee and had so much fun. So yeah, so this is all of my finished jewelry. And like I said, this is like, I think this one's my favorite. I think these are from June. So yeah, I don't think I got the July box yet. It's been, we've had 3 birthdays. I took a vacation for 3 days to Miami. So I don't know my head from my foot right now. So yeah, so let me know down in the comments what you think of these. And I will leave a link below to their website if you are interested. And I will leave all my social media links below as well. My Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and Pinterest if you are interested in following me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so because I have lots of videos coming up and lots of new techniques I'm working on that I will show you. So I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you on my next video.